some breakfast. Let's have one of the teas that my friend got me. For breakfast, I'm just gonna have the Chelsea breakfast. During summer, I pretty much eat this every day. I have some sort of variation of summer fruit, granola, and then also Greek yogurt. I'm just obsessed with this combination and I just can't get enough. I don't know why I arrange it all nicely because every time I eat it, I just end up mixing all of it. It's just nice having pretty food in the morning. When I cook, I always end up with a lot of leftovers and they're really tiny portions of food which I couldn't bear to throw away. So today let's make some pot rice just to use it all out. Some leftover mushroom and carrots. Chicken. The white parts of the spring onions in. Let's make the sauce. If you want it to be a little bit spicy, then you can add some gochu curry. I've been curious about this drinks combination recently, and it's like a matcha with apple juice, so let's try to make it now. This is the best ice tray because you can just push your ice cubes out like that. So just. This is an apple matcha tonic. Oh, that's pretty good. It's so refreshing. Let's check out our pot rice and see if it's done. Look how delicious this looks. Having these burnt crispy rice bits is why you put it in the clay pot, and this is just so delicious. Let's give this a taste. That's so good. So let's make some Bolognese for dinner today. It's gonna be quite a basic Bolognese. I have carrots, onions, one random tomato, and I'm just gonna be using this as the base. I'm gonna make a peach and mozzarella salad as a side. I think I'm only gonna cook 2 portions of spaghetti. Ian likes a lot of pasta, so maybe this is like 2.5. I think maybe about that much. It's pretty much done now, so while I cook the pasta, I'm going to just let this rest a little. This looks so delicious. It's the perfect bite. Mmm.